onye aragasha. Ele akwe ni mo okoro. Asa ha ma ko okoro, pa mo we mo okoro ko so. Ni na etutu na fi ma so ba ko le ga. Aso ba ago chi nwo wo. Eh, chi nwo wa ko na ebe. Ibe bo lo wo na kasu ba. You name in a Nigerian movie association. Oh, bali. I am about to go out. I want to be only believe. Chiefimo. Who will take you money somehow? You are not the mother. No, one man, one name will always go. I can have a maggie. Shia! A sound I'm going here. Him got the Sacramento. And they get it. And I'm going. And they can have a book. Asari ke buku. Alaba rago ke mo mada alaba. See who we have here. Wow. Sister Maggie is in the building. Wow, we are about to start another wonderful episode. Wonderful job that all of you will enjoy. You can see this one. The working title is Christ's Sake. For Christ's Sake. But I'm not sure it's coming out with that title. Just hold on. We're going to announce the title by the time we get started. You can see my second wife is here. Second wife has come to possess her position. One, I paid one bride price. Why one ran into me? One forced herself into me. One only care one and get that order. Only care one shalanga. The quality is going inside. Now you take it and laugh. You see your big head.
Personal PA.
Go, John. Magiga kwano kwa mpaga. I don't trust this your PA. K-O-E-E. So madam give cooking. Okoya baiga wa. Okoya we ready for night. You got that video for us. You got that video. Come weekend. Come. You got to go. Okay, please come. You are not done. What do you have to tell them about this job?
First, I don't want to lick cats. Let the cat out of the bag.
Wow.
No, just stay tuned. Keep on following us on all our social handles, and you will be getting the updates.
We'll keep updating you. As you can see, she came with maternity gown. That means she's prepared. Hey, maternity, hey, yeah. Oh, Madam Shalanga. Inside now, you want to spoil my show? You know, they can make go inside. Go and sleep or it's late. The room by the right is your room. My own is opposite that same room. All right, people. We love you. We'll keep on loving you. So we're about to start this very one.
Yeah.
It's not been easy, but sometimes we sit down. What are we going to do? How are we going to do this? But the inspiration keeps coming from above.